Watch this storm, guys. Boom.
It looks so much better in person though, because the clouds are just like a big white puffy cloud.
Yeah. You guys can't see that. Did that stick scare you on?
Yes, it did.
That is cool. It ain't coming this way. It's already past us, but I'm getting all kinds of warnings on the news and stuff. That's a pretty bad storm over there, they said. Let's see if I... That is so cool looking. Tell me what you guys think.
Ooh, that's chills.
See, if that street light wasn't in there, you would see how nice and puffy those clouds are, but because it's dark, wow, that's pretty cool. So what do you, like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you think. Ooh, I'm sorry, hon, I did not mean to back into you. But, hon, what do you think?
I think you're a dork.
Why?
Because you're blinding me.
But you love this dork.
I never said that.
After 22 years? You don't love this dork?
Nope.
That's okay. I have big shoulders. Wow. Ow. Oh! You just pinched my... Stop pinching mine. Ooh, you're in trouble. Here's my video of me being on film.
Yeah, and he's doing this way because the school
block
light...
it off. Oh, see, but there we go. We go this way. Oh, wait. We go back this way. There you go. Oh, wait. You guys can see my beard and mustache and stuff. There we go. I'm bald on the head, but there you go. I'm on there. You guys can't ask for it no more. That video didn't even have to get 20 likes. And I'm on there, see?
Yeah, let's do it the other way.
There we go. There we go. There we go. I'll talk to you guys all later.